We haven't done a problem like this in a little while. It says write and graph the inequality that represents the total number of inches. So because we're talking about red ribbon and blue ribbon, we're going to have two different variables. I'm going to say that the red ribbon is going to be x and the blue ribbon is going to be y. All right? So we know that one strip of red ribbon equals 3 inches and a strip of blue ribbon equals 4 inches. So to write the inequality, we're going to have 3 times x, okay, the total number of strips, okay, 3x plus 4y. Then the part where it says no less than 60, that means it has to be at least 60. So that means it has to be greater than or equal to 60. Now, to finish this out, we've got our inequality, okay? We've written our inequality. The only thing that you have to do to finish this out is get y by itself and graph it, okay? And don't forget, when you're graphing, because you have an inequality, you've got to do some shading. The line is going to be solid, so if we start with 4y is greater than or equal to, bring the 3x over, plus 60. I'm sure you can do this on your own, but I'll walk it through with you, plus 15, okay? So I think I've got this right now. I would recommend when you're actually graphing this, I would recommend that you count each square as 5, okay? So basically we could say count by 5s, because then you can have your y-intercept at positive 15, and as long as you're counting by 5s on both the y and the x-axis, the slope is not affected. It still goes, you know, down 3 over 4. So let's do that. Down 3 over 4, down 3 over 4, rise over the run. Okay, so and we've got up 3 over 4, so we're good there. I'll do my best on at a straight line here. Okay, now we need to shade. And which side do we shade? We shade above the line because it's greater than, okay? And the total number of inches must be no less than 60. We're going to have to shade just in this section here, obviously, because we're not going to have a negative number of inches. Everybody see that? Okay, hope that makes good sense for all of you.